Hi there, junior scientists. I'm Professor Pip, and I love to explore the world around us. Today, we're diving into a splashy adventure in my colorful lab. Get ready to experiment and learn about something super cool called buoyancy. My lab is full of amazing things like bubbling beakers, colorful liquids, and even a special water tank for our experiment today. Are you excited? I know I am. Put on your thinking caps and let's get started. Have you ever wondered why a giant ship can float on water, but a tiny pebble sinks right to the bottom? It's all thanks to buoyancy. Buoyancy is like a magic trick, but it's actually science. When something goes in water, the water pushes it up. This push is called buoyant force. At the same time, gravity tries to pull the object down. If the push of the water is stronger than gravity, the object floats. If gravity is stronger, the object sinks. Now let's put our detective hats on. We're going to test some everyday objects to see if they sink or float. Are you ready for the challenge? I have an apple, a shiny coin, and a paper boat. Before we test each object, let's make a prediction. What do you think will happen? Will the apple sink or float? What about the coin and the paper boat? Write down your predictions so we can see if you're right. It's time to reveal the answers. We carefully place each object in the water tank and watch closely. The apple bobs around on the surface. It floats. The heavy coin sinks straight to the bottom. But look, the paper boat, even though it's made of thin paper, floats gracefully on top of the water. We learned that objects float when the buoyant force of the water is stronger than gravity. The apple and the paper boat are lighter than the amount of water they push aside, so they float. The coin is heavier, so it sinks. Science is so much fun. Keep exploring, junior scientists.